Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Enable CPU virtualization in BIOS and ensure at least 8 GB RAM and 20 GB free. Next, pick your platform, Cloud VM, on-prem hypervisor, or a managed virtual desktop service, and create an account. Once done, install the hypervisor or remote desktop agent and allocate CPU cores, RAM, and disk space. Make sure to assign a static IP or DNS name. This prevents connection headaches later, and it keeps your first VM reachable as you proceed. Now you focus on the detailed middlework. Install the guest operating system, apply all updates, and add guest tools or drivers for better performance. Then configure networking. Choose NAT for isolated testing or bridged mode to be on the LAN. Adjust firewall rules and open RDP or VNC ports only as needed. After that, enable remote access agents and create user profiles with least privilege. Finally, apply security patches and test a local login to confirm the desktop boots cleanly and responds. Finish by testing your remote connection from another device and enabling auto start so the desktop recovers after reboots. Make snapshots or backups and optimize performance with CPU limits, memory tuning, or GPU pass-through if you need graphics. Configure monitoring and enforce multi-factor authentication for access. If something fails, key troubleshooting tip. Check network and firewall rules first. If you can ping the VM but not connect, verify the remote service is running and the agent is up to date. Then restore the latest snapshot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.